Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing well. Today I am performing a romanticized version of my autumn nighttime routine. This video has it all. We will be making soup, we will be journaling, we will be reading an autumn themed book, kind of. This is obviously not reality like every single day, but this is me performing the autumn girl aesthetic for your entertainment. So take that with a grain of salt. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into it. To start off this cozy autumnal nighttime routine, we are going to do a little cooking, a little girl dinner, if you will. This is my favorite meal to make. I made it in a recent vlog, so I'm sorry if I'm being repetitive, but it's broccoli cheddar soup. It's finally, officially soup season. Along with that, we will be watching my favorite movie of all time, Little Women 2019. This is a masterpiece. Let's make some soup. The dance scene on the porch is such a beautiful scene for those two. Like, everything about it, the childlike playfulness of the characters, it just is one of my favorite scenes in the entire movie. Girl that enjoys having a good soup year-round. Making it in the fall time, it just totally hits different. Like, just having a warm bowl of soup while watching some kind of like autumnal movie is just like the ultimate vibe. Even though it's literally like 100 degrees outside still, not 100 degrees, like it's like 90 degrees outside still, despite it's so comforting, and it almost tricks my brain into thinking that it's actually cold outside. Next week I'm going to Massachusetts, so I'll actually be able to experience New England fall, and I'll have that cool weather, and I'm so excited. And I'm going to be visiting a lot of the Little Women filming locations while I'm there. I add so much cayenne pepper. It's like my favorite part. I like to make this really spicy. Well, not that much. The soup is done. I'm so excited to eat it. This is my favorite meal ever. This is like the best girl dinner. This is the original girl dinner. Soup girls are the best girls. This is what it looks like when it's all done. It's literally like the creamiest, yummiest soup in the whole world. If I'm able to influence you on one thing in life, it's to become a soup girl, okay?
Tell me if I could send
Finding teacups at the antique store is the best thing you can do for yourself. I've been journaling. The funny thing about being a girl and having a journal is one page is gonna be my autumn bucket list, like sweet, nice, wholesome, and then like the page before it is like the most depressing, dark stuff you've ever read. We love being a girl. We love being on the cycle with the moon. I feel like journaling is like so good for you. I used to do it a ton when I was younger. Like middle school and high school was like my main journaling eras. I would journal like almost every single day, just write about my day, write about my feelings. I was very emotional back then. I still am, but like back then I was a teenager, so it was like heightened times 100, obviously. I started journaling again when I was going through my breakup this summer. I feel like anytime I go through a breakup, that's when like I become the most introspective, and that's when like the most change happens, which makes me want to write it all down. So that's what I've done. Today we have a very light, wholesome journal entry. I made an autumn bucket list for this year, and some of these I'm already like planning to do, and some of them I'm just hoping to plan to do eventually. Visit a pumpkin patch. Carve a pumpkin. Visit New England. Go on a graveyard walk. Leave flowers or a note at Louisa May Alcott's grave. I will be visiting there, so I hope to maybe just like write something down and leave it at her grave. Or some flowers, I don't know. Visit the Orchard House, that's Louisa May Alcott's ancestral home. Read Walden at Walden Pond. Visit the Crane Estate. Visit Crane Beach. Those are both places where Little Women was filmed. Visit an old library. Finish my autumn reading list. Interact with strangers. This is something that I've been trying to get better at in general, which is like just being more friendly when I'm out and about, because like I feel like I'm like when I'm talking to people, like strangers out, like I feel like I'm nice, like I smile, like I'm polite, but I feel like I'm not like really like interacting like with language. Do you know what I mean? Being very standoffish, like I feel like that comes from a place of just not being confident enough to talk to people. So I'm trying to fix that. Not that there's anything wrong with like being shy, but for me, I feel best when I'm like a little bit more talkative with people. Have a bonfire with my friends. Have a Friendsgiving with my friends, of course. Go to the Renaissance Festival. Go to a fall festival. Decorate my house for fall. Watch at least 5 new movies. Autumn themed movies, of course. I always end up just watching like the comfort movies that I watch every single year, and I rarely ever incorporate new movies into that mix. And I love film, I really do. I want to branch out a little bit more. Lastly, I have try a new autumn dish. So I want to cook something new that I've never made before, specifically something with sweet potato, because I've been craving sweet potatoes lately. So yeah, that's my little autumn bucket list. I encourage you to make one. Even if you don't think you can check everything off, at least it gives you a place to start and a little source of inspiration. So yeah. Oh, there he is. Got the sweetest little baby boy here today. I got this bone for you. He'll be very cute for the camera. I'm like a mommy vlogger. Is this exploitative? I love you. I love you like so much. You're my boy. You're my boy that I love. I don't know if you guys know this, but Theodore is named after Theodore Lawrence from Little Women. And fun fact, we did a DNA test for him. He's 70% Husky, 30% American Pit Bull Terrier. When we did the DNA test on Embark, it shows you their relatives, and we found his biological brother, and he lives close to us. So we went and met up with him, but we had like a little play date with their owners. It was so fun. His name is Franklin, so we have Theodore and Franklin, like Theodore and Franklin Roosevelt. It was so sweet seeing them together and seeing him with his real life brother. I know, so much. Paw. Oh, that's a good boy. There you go. There you go, Theodore. Mama loves you so much. You enjoy that bone. I am reading Dracula right now, and I talked about this in my book recommendations video, and I can't believe I have not read it yet. This book is so amazing. It's so extremely captivating, and the writing just like keeps your nose inside the book for hours. I'm about 75% of the way through, so by the time I post this video I will be finished with it, so that's very exciting. I'm really trying to like double my reading every month in autumn because there's just so many books I want to read, and I feel like they're all kind of very specific to autumn time, so I'm really trying to like speed through everything a little bit. Barnes & Noble cloth bound classics, that is the way to a girl's heart. Like, these are so amazing. I really want to start collecting all of them. I have 3 of them. I have Frankenstein, Dracula, and the Tenant at Wildfell Hall. Oh, and I'm gonna have to start like going and buying like my favorite novels in this edition because they won't be around forever. I mean, they'll probably be around for a while, but they won't be around forever, and I want to have all of them in my collection. They're just so beautiful. So I'm going to read a little bit more tonight and then take my makeup off and try to go to bed, which will probably take hours because I literally can't sleep ever. Like, it takes me hours to fall asleep. I will literally lay here for like 3-4 hours awake just thinking. It's really annoying. Part of it is my fault. Like, I'll look at my phone or I'll look at my computer screen and like that'll turn on that switch in my brain that's like, oh, it's daytime. But it's not, and I need to go to sleep. But that is just where I'm at right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really like making videos like this, little video diaries and such. Next week I will be in New England filming a bunch of videos for you guys and for myself because I love it. I'll be posting a lot of autumnal video diaries and vlogs getting into the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.